Hi and welcome to a new tech stuff episode on my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the Dalrc Rocket 45 amp version 4-in-1 Esc, and I'm just gonna go through the reasons why I choose this Esc for my race quad and the specs, and we have a look inside the box what you get if you order one of these. First, let's have a look at the box itself. It comes in a pretty strong plastic box, well protected, and on the back side we have some specs. 4-in-1 Esc, you have the size, then we have the hole distance. It's for 30mm stack, it's 45 amps, 3 to 6S, no back on it. It runs on BL32. It supports current sensing, and it supports DSHA 1200, PWM, multi-shop, one-shop. So let's have a look into the box and what we get inside. We have the 4-in-1 Esc itself. It's pretty fit inside here. Looks like this. You have cooling plates on the top. Nice big solder pads on both sides, model 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you have the big holes for soft mounting and battery ports. And what I really like on this, you have the possibility to use a plug, and you also can go with soldering the motor 1 to 4 and ground all the wires you need, and no need for a plug. This is the most important reason why I choose this Esc, because I had some trouble with my 4-in-1 Escs with the connectors. Some have bad connectors and you crash sometimes if the signal wires do not connect well to your Esc. So this is a really great plus on this Esc, and one of the main reasons why I get it. So what we have else in the box is some accessories. We have some rubbers for soft mounting, and we have a capacitor, so 35 amps, 560 microfarad. So you can go up to 6S with this, but I will run 4S on my quad, so I think I will go for a 25 volt 1000 microfarad. And you have also the cable to connect your Esc with the FC, and a manual inside, but this is a pretty simple one, just shows how you connect all the wires, and that's almost it. Another reason why I choose Dalrc Rocket is that the drone mesh does an amazing job in measuring noises on these Escs, on a lot of different Escs and other stuff. And all the Dalrc Rockets, especially the 45 and the 50 amp version, have great results, and that's also a reason why I get one of these, because the price is about the same like a lot of other Escs, but in case of noises, these Dalrc Rockets are one of the best. I will just link above the video of the review from Drone Mesh so we can see what the result is. Then let's check the weight, just without cables, just the Esc itself. We have 17.5 grams. And then let's have a look at the size. I will take the size without battery pins and within battery pins. So let's start with the length all included, also the pins for the signal wires, and we have 46, 46.5, 46.4. Then let's measure just the Esc itself. We are at 37.8, and complete width is 40.15, and thickness including the plug for your signal wires is 7.6 millimeters. Let's also have a look at the lower side of the Esc. we have the current sensor on it, and you also have the possibility to solder the upside or the lower side. Your motor cables, both sides are finished with these nice big solder pads. Also the pins for your signal cables are on both sides, on the lower side or on the upper side, so you can solder your cables wherever you want. And then we can see this bunch of capacitors which bring up these good results in case of noises. This is already all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and happy flying. Bye bye.